News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Institute of Hotel Management, Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition, Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Chandigarh, Misra Dhatu Nigam Limited, Midhani, Brahmaputra Board, Guwahati, Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation and Goa Shipyard Limited, Institute of Hotel Management, Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition, an autonomous body under Ministry of Tourism, Government of India and affiliated to National Council for Hotel Management and Catering Technology, invites applications for the following posts. 2 posts of lecturer cum instructor, direct recruitment, written or skill test. 1 post of assistant lecturer cum assistant instructor, direct recruitment, skill test. And 5 posts of teaching associates, direct recruitment, skill test. Applications on prescribed format, which is available on the website www.ihmbhopal.ac.in, accompanied by passport size photograph and self-attested copies of testimonials, must reach the office of the concerned authority within 30 days of publication through speed post. Please superscribe the post applied for on top of the envelope. Persons already in employment with government, semi-government, autonomous body, etc. should apply through proper channel or produce NOC from their present employer at the time of document verification. Incomplete and applications received late will be rejected. The institute will not be responsible for any postal delays. The competent authority reserves the right to reject or accept any application and fill or not fill or partially filling of the vacancy without assigning any reason. Applicants who applied in lieu of advertisement issued on employment newspaper dated 18th to 24th January 2020 do not need to apply again. It is proposed to fill up 2 posts of Administrative Officer on deputation basis at Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, PGIMER, Chandigarh. Officers possessing MBA or postgraduate diploma in personnel management shall be given preference. Period of deputation shall be for 3 years initially. Application duly filled by applicant on the prescribed proforma may be sent to the concerned authority by 31st May 2021. While forwarding such applications, it may be ensured that no departmental or disciplinary proceedings are pending or being contemplated against the officer, and a certificate to this effect shall be provided. Incomplete applications and the applications received after due date will be summarily rejected. The Director, PGIMER, reserves the right to increase or decrease the number of posts or withdraw the selection process at any stage without any reasons or claim thereto. Midhani, a Mini Ratna 1 and an ISO 9001-2008 and AS 9100C company, is a high-tech metallurgical industry under the administrative control of Ministry of Defence, engaged in the manufacture of superalloys and special steels, titanium alloys in various mill forms and shapes for strategic sectors like defence, space, atomic energy, and also for commercial sectors. Company has around 800 employees and it requires outstanding professionals in the following areas. 1 post of Junior Technician, Field Trails, place of posting Rohtak. 1 post of Operator, CNC, Fiber Cutting Machine, place of posting Rohtak. 1 post of Operator, Hydraulic Press for Ballistic Panel Molding, place of posting Rohtak. And 3 posts of Senior Operative Trainee, MELS, place of posting Hyderabad. Decision of Midhani Management regarding selection will be final. Further, Midhani Management reserves the right to fill up or otherwise any or all the notified posts and also to fill up future vacancies, if any, from the valid panel of selected candidates as per the rules of the company. Medium of selection test, written, practical or trade test, will be in English only. Canvassing in any form or bringing outside influence will lead to disqualification. In case if candidates are having the relevant experience as specified, valid higher educational qualifications as on cut-off date of advertisement will be considered for all the above posts. Before applying, candidates should satisfy themselves regarding eligibility criteria desired for the post. Necessary information regarding selection, written test, practical or trade test, etc. will be hosted on Midhani URL www.midhani-india.in from time to time. Corrigendum, if any, related to this advertisement shall be given only on the website www.midhani-india.in. Interested and eligible candidates can visit the Midhani URL and then read carefully the eligibility criteria and the instructions to apply online. Application should be submitted strictly online by logging on to Midhani website given above. The website will be kept open till 1700 hours on 23rd April 2021 for this purpose. Applications are invited for filling up one post of General Manager by deputation, including short-term contract, in the Brahmaputra Board, Guwahati, a statutory body set up under an Act of Parliament 46 of 1980 under the administrative control of the Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation, Ministry of Jal Shakti. Applications with full particulars of the applicant in Annexure 1 to 5 should reach the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. All applications will be treated in strict confidence. Those from government and public sector should apply through proper channel. Applications without full details as asked for are liable to be rejected. Details of advertisement and application forms can also be downloaded from the Ministry's website mowr.gov.in. Goa Shipyard Limited is a Schedule B Mini Ratna Category 1 company and is engaged in designing and building ships for Indian Navy and Indian Coast Guard. Goa Shipyard Limited invites online applications for the post as listed below on direct recruitment. Applications are invited from Indian nationals only for the following post in the Industrial Dearness Allowance IDA pay scale. Eligible and interested candidates are required to apply online through the website www.goashipyard.in. One post of Deputy General Manager Export, one post of Senior Manager Administration, one post of Senior Manager Electrical and Weapon, one post of Senior Manager Hull, one post of Deputy Manager Internal Audit, and one post of Deputy Manager Finance. For detailed advertisements such as general conditions for applying, qualifications, experience, age limit, application format, etc., please visit the career page of the website www.goashipyard.in. Applicants may apply online till 1700 hours on 26th April 2021. Guidelines for applying online will be detailed out on the website. Candidates, after successfully submitting applications through online application system, are required to retain a printout of their application for future use. Candidates should post the demand draft wherever applicable to Goa Shipyard Limited so as to reach on or before 6th May 2021. In the event of finding difficulty to apply online, please contact through email recruitment@goashipyard.com. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.